Hi, it's Richard from the Bolton Group of Estate Agents. I'm here at 6 Anthony Street in Eagleby. This house is a cracker. As if a self-contained granny flat is not enough, you're only a kilometre to both Eagleby South and also Beanley State High School. Close proximity to the Logan motorway and also the Gold Coast Highway, and fully renovated. This is a cracker. Might just buy this one myself. I don't know if the renovations or the granny flat is my favourite thing about this property. One thing's for sure, it's going to sell quick. Contact me today to have a viewing.